Hello everyone, Lee here with Cross Country Mortgage. I'm a renovation lending specialist, and today I wanted to talk about our conventional renovation loan products. We have the Home Style as well as the Home Choice products. Both are conventional financing which allow you to roll in the renovation cost into one 30-year fixed loan. Some of the benefits is one, it's obviously conventional financing, so listing agents like offers with conventional financing, much more over FHA offers. Number two, you can make an as-is offer on the property, meaning that we are not going to require any repairs as a lender, and any repairs that are required due to health and safety can be rolled into the renovation escrow account and be handled obviously after closing. Number three, it offers a low down payment, as low as 3% to 5% down on the total acquisition. So the down payment on renovation loans are calculated based on the purchase price plus your renovation cost that you're rolling into the loan minus your down payment. Tremendous benefit on the conventional renovation loan products. So I would definitely, as a consumer, look into those products. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.